Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Nothing Phone 3a Lite, and in this video I will show you how to use floating window. So floating window, in other words pop-up view, is the best way to multitask without closing any other application. So first of all, let's turn an application into floating window. First of all, you have to open application that you want to use as a floating window. I choose YouTube, for example, and now you have to go to recent applications by swiping up from the bottom part of the screen, and now at the top of your screen you will see small app icon. Let's tap it and you have to select Popup View. As you can see, my application turned into small and movable window. And let's simultaneously open any application that you can use simultaneously. It could be any other application, but I choose settings. So first of all, you can resize your floating window. You have to hold and drag any of the corners of the floating window to make it bigger or smaller. As well, you can move it around. To do that, you have to tap and hold the small bar at the top of the floating window and moving it around. In other words, position it in any part of the screen where you want it to be. As well, you can minimize the floating window. For example, if you need the screen clear for a moment, in this case you have to tap this, I don't know, it's minus icon, and after it your floating window will turn into small bubble on the side of your screen. And if you want to full window back, you just have to tap this bubble. And the last one is how to close your floating window. You just have to click this cross icon and the window will disappear. Yeah, that's how you can use pop-up view and floating window. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.